Hey there, hello, hi everyone, welcome back. So this is Ramandeep Singh, and so let's solve this problem as well. So there you go. So we have been given a binary tree which has a root, rooted at this node root, and a node x is also given, and we are supposed to return we are supposed to return ठीक है. So a node x is in the tree is named good if it is in the path from root to x. There are no nodes with value greater than x. So for a given binary tree, a node x is a good node if from a path from in a path from root to that node x there is no node which has a value greater than x. All the nodes have value less than or equal to x, then x is a good node, and we are supposed to count how many good nodes are there in a tree. For instance, in this case we can see that in a path from 3 to 3 there is only 3. There is no node which contains value greater than 3. So from a path in a path from 3 4 there is no node which has a value greater than 4. Then 3 4 5 there is no node which has a value greater than 5. So let's draw this tree. So we have 3, and then we have 1, and then we have 3, and then we have 4, and then we have 5, and then we have 1. ठीक है कूल है. तो अब क्या करते हैं कि लेट्स क्या करें इसमें अपने वो क्या कहते हैं इसको यार, लेट्स फाइंड दिस नंबर ऑफ गुड नोट्स है ना. तो गुड नोट्स कौन से हैं इनमें से? हाँ. So 3 is a good node because there is in a path from 3 to 3 there is no node which has a value greater than 3. 4 is a good node because in this path you can see that there is no node which has a value greater than 4. Then in this path there is no node which has a value greater than 5 along this path. So 3, 4, 5 are good nodes. Is 1 a good node? No, because from 3 to 4 I can see that 3 is also greater than 1 and 4 is also greater than 1. 1 is a good node? No, because you can see that from root to node this path 1 is greater than this 3. Is this 3 a good node? No, this 3 is also 3 is also a good node because in a path from 3 to 3 there is no node which is greater than 3. So how many nodes we have? This 3, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 नहीं, ये तो नहीं है. 1 2 3 4. So 3 3 4 5 4 nodes हैं. So answer is 4. Nodes count करने हैं ना अपने को. Yes. So all we have to do is to just count करो इन नोड्स को. let's count these nodes and DFS से count हो जाएंगे. Let's see how we will do it. So let us count these nodes. Let's count these nodes. So we have, let's start a DFS from here, and what we can do is max node so far. ये ट्रैक करेंगे अपने, ठीक है. मैक्स नोड सो फार. सो 3 इज़ अ नोड, 3 इज़ द फर्स्ट नोड. देन फ्रॉम 3 आई विल मूव टू 1, ठीक है. विल नॉट अपडेट. देन फ्रॉम हियर आई विल मूव टू 3, विल नॉट अपडेट. सो आंसर वी हैव 1 बिकॉज रूट नोड इज़ ऑलवेज अ वैलिड आंसर. सो 1 नॉट अ वैलिड आंसर बिकॉज यहाँ तक मैक्स जो है वो 3 है एंड 1 इज़ नॉट ग्रेटर दैन द मैक्स. 3 yes, 3 is greater than equal to max. So answer would be 1 plus 1 here. So I'll come back, move to 4. Max will be updated to 4, and the answer will also be increased by 1 because 4 is a valid node. Then from here I move to here. Max is 4. This is 1. No, not a valid node. Come back, move to 5, update max, and I can see that I will also add 1 here. And that's all. I have visited the entire tree, and how many nodes I have found? 4. So for this particular node the answer is 4. So all I have to do is to just perform a DFS traversal. So we have perform a DFS traversal. So we have node max so far. This variable I'll have to keep track of. If node is none, then just return. मैक्स फॉर अपडेट करो, मैक्स ऑफ मैक्स सो फार कॉमा नोड डॉट वैल्यू, देन आंसर में if this node value is greater than equal to max so far, if it is the case, अगर वो greater than equal to है तो 1 ऐड हो जाएगा, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं ऐड होगा. And then call the same function for the left, node dot left max राइट. अच्छा, मैक्स सो फार जो है वो लोकल वेरिएबल है, इसको ग्लोबल मत कर देना, है ना, क्योंकि जैसे ही मैं नोड्स को अनविजिट करूँगा, बैक ट्रैक करूँगा, वो मैक्स सो फार फिर अपडेट हो जाएगा, है ना. तो यहाँ तक मैक्स सो फार जो होगा वो इस पाथ के अलोंग चेक कर रहे हैं, जिस पाथ के अलोंग हम DFS मारते हुए आए हैं. ये सब नहीं काउंट करना, पीछे जो भी अपडेट्स हैं वो सारे अंडू हो जाएंगे, ठीक है. तो चलो इसको करते हैं कोड. So let's jump to the code implementation part of it. So let's write this DFS function. So def DFS, we will have self node max so far if node is none, return कर दो 0, नहीं तो फिर count is 1 if current node की जो वैल्यू है वो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू अब तक जो मैक्स है हमारे पास उससे, एल्स 0, नहीं तो फिर मैक्स सो फार अपडेट करो, अपडेट मैक्स सो फार कॉमा सेल्फ डॉट काउंट में ऐड द लेफ्ट सब ट्री आंसर एंड द राइट सब ट्री आंसर, left and then at the end we will return count, ठीक है. and then return self dot DFS root and then max so far, which is let's pass most probably this will work. ठीक है, so that's all for this video. I hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.